Hey coders! Get ready to unlock one of JavaScript's most powerful and mind-bending concepts, closures. This isn't just a fancy term, it's a fundamental building block that enables incredible patterns in your code. Understanding closures is crucial for writing robust, modular, and efficient JavaScript, making you a more effective developer. You'll see them everywhere, from event handlers to module patterns. At its heart, a closure occurs when an inner function remembers and continues to access the variables from its outer function's lexical scope, even after the outer function has completed its execution. When the outer function is called and returns the inner function, that inner function doesn't just return its definition, it returns its definition plus a link to the environment where it was created. This link preserves the outer function's local variables, essentially creating a backpack of data that the inner function carries with it, allowing it to maintain state and context across multiple calls. You can use this. You'll frequently use closures for creating private variables and methods, similar to private members in object-oriented programming. They are essential for implementing module patterns, creating factories for functions, and building stateful components in frameworks. Think about when you need to create functions that remember information from when they were initially set up. Time to understand the code in detail. First, we define an outer function called outerFunction that accepts a single argument, x. This function is responsible for creating and returning our closure, establishing the initial lexical scope. Then, inside outerFunction, we return an inner, named function called innerFunction, which takes its own argument, y. This inner function is the core of our closure. It's defined within outerFunction's scope. Then, within innerFunction, we return the sum of x and y. Crucially, x is not declared inside innerFunction, it's accessed from outerFunction's scope, demonstrating the closure's ability to remember its creation environment. Then, here, we call outerFunction with the argument 5. It executes, and the inner function it returns is assigned to addFive. This addFive function now permanently remembers that x is 5 due to the closure. We then invoke addFive with the argument 3. The inner function executes, accessing its closed over x, which is 5, and adding it to its argument y, which is 3, producing the result. Finally, the console output clearly shows 8. This is 5, remembered from the closure, plus 3, passed as an argument, proving that addFive maintains a reference to the x value from its creation. And there you have it, the magic of JavaScript closures. They are a cornerstone for building sophisticated and maintainable applications. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit that subscribe button for more JavaScript deep dives. Comment down below, what JavaScript concept should I explain next?